So we're on our next pot of call, and today we're in Hilo and the Hawaiian Volcanoes National Park. We're still on the big island. The island is actually called Hawaii. And so today we're in the national park, so we're going to get to see Lava Tube and also the Crater Rim. And a little bit later on we're going to see Rainbow Falls and also the Macadamia Nut Factory. So this is the first stop of the day. It's a lava tube, so at least we're going to be dry for a little while because it's
pissing down, basically.
Yeah, tipping it down. So
it's a rainforest, though, so that's good.
Yeah. So let's go have a look.
So what's fascinating about this is that we're stood in this lava tube, so however many hundreds of thousands of millions of years ago, hot molten lava kind of barraged through here and created this amazing tunnel as an outlet for the lava to flow inside. You know, and here we are now, it's dried, it's cooled, and we're able to walk through. It's amazing. Here we are at it's a frozen kind of pool of lava, so the lava has run down this big channel here and dropped into this valley. So you imagine a lake of molten lava has just landed in there, then cooled down, solidified, and that's what you're looking at now. Amazing, really.
Next stop now, which is the visitor centre for the national park, where you can get information, etc. There's also a hotel called Volcano House. Ivan's hungry, so we're going to try and find him something to eat, and then it's back on the coach.
So here we are at the Thomas Jagger Museum. Behind me is Mount Kilauea, you know, the active volcano, and the crater down there. You can see the steam coming out. Apparently from time to time molten lava does bubble up to the top. Not going to see any of that today, I don't think, but a bit of steam nevertheless. So my first active volcano. But yeah, it's great. Highlight of the day, definitely.
So this is our next stop, a macadamia factory, believe it or not, or a macadamia nut factory. So basically here you can watch people making or processing macadamia nuts. You can eat macadamia nuts, you can buy macadamia nuts, you can eat macadamia nut ice cream. But we've just taken time to chill out in the gardens here. Lunch is next, so looking forward to that. So yeah, having a great day so far, and the sun's come out, it's feeling quite warm.
So this is the last stop on the tour now. We've had a really great day. We're at Rainbow Falls, which is a waterfall, as you can see, with an 80-foot drop. And apparently has the power to create rainbows, hence the name.